What do we call an animal that eats only plants? A. Herbivore. B. Carnivore. C. Omnivore. The correct answer is herbivore. Rabbits have special teeth called incisors that never stop growing, perfect for munching plants all day. Which of these is a producer in a food chain? A. Grass. B. Frog. C. Eagle. The correct answer is grass. Plants are called producers because they make their own food using sunlight, water, and air, like tiny solar-powered kitchens. What is an animal called that hunts other animals for food? A. Predator. B. Decomposer. C. Producer. The correct answer is predator. Lions are called apex predators, meaning no other animal in their habitat hunts them. In a food chain, energy always starts from which source? A. The sun. B. The soil. C. The rain. The correct answer is the sun. The sun sends so much energy to Earth every hour that it could power all of humanity for a whole year. What do decomposers do in an ecosystem? A. Break down dead things. B. Hunt animals. C. Make their own food. The correct answer is break down dead things. Mushrooms are decomposers that can break down a fallen tree and return its nutrients back to the soil in just a few years. Which animal is usually found at the top of a food chain? A. Shark. B. Shrimp. C. Seaweed. The correct answer is shark. Great white sharks have been around for about 11 million years. They were swimming the oceans long before humans existed. What is a group of the same animals or plants living together in one area called? A. A population. B. A habitat. C. A food web. The correct answer is A. Population. A flock of starlings flying together in swirling shapes is called a murmuration. It can have over 1 million birds. Which ecosystem is the largest on Earth? A. The ocean. B. The rainforest. C. The desert. The correct answer is the ocean. The ocean covers more than 70% of Earth's surface and is home to over 230,000 known species, and many more are still being discovered. What do we call an animal that eats both plants and animals? A. Omnivore. B. Herbivore. C. Carnivore. The correct answer is omnivore. Bears are omnivores. They love munching berries and honey, but they also catch fish straight from rivers with their paws. What is the place where an animal naturally lives called? A. A habitat. B. A food chain. C. A population. The correct answer is A. Habitat. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur. It helps them absorb sunlight to stay warm in their icy Arctic habitat. In a pond food chain, what do tadpoles most likely eat? A. Algae and plants. B. Small fish. C. Insects. The correct answer is algae and plants. Tadpoles are herbivores, but once they grow into frogs, they become carnivores. They switch their whole diet as they grow up. What happens to a food chain if all the plants disappear? A. All animals would struggle to survive. B. Only carnivores would be fine. C. Nothing would change. The correct answer is all animals would struggle to survive. Plants produce over half of the oxygen we breathe. Without them, life on Earth as we know it could not exist. What do we call it when many food chains in an ecosystem are connected together? A. A food web. B. A food rope. C. A food circle. The correct answer is a food web. In a real ecosystem, most animals are part of several food chains at once. That is why scientists use the word web to describe how everything is linked.